You might be wondering, why is NASA, the space exploration giant, focusing on Earth's oceans? Shouldn't they be focused on planets and moons? While we know a lot about the moon and Mars, we actually know less about the deep ocean. NASA's mission is not just about Earth. It's about finding out if life could exist in the oceans of other planets, like Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. So stick around, because in this video we'll uncover the surprising reasons behind NASA's ocean mission, how it could lead to finding alien life, and what this means for future space exploration. Now let's start with the big question. Why is NASA exploring Earth's oceans when we already have NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, to do that? The answer is simple. NASA's deep-sea missions are about more than just our oceans. It's about preparing for future space exploration. You see, NASA is not just interested in what's above us, but also what's below, because the conditions at the bottom of Earth's oceans might be similar to places in our solar system where life could exist. So, by studying Earth's oceans, NASA is preparing for the search for life on other planets. The alien life. Now, the next question might be, what does the deep ocean have to do with finding alien life? Well, here's where things get really interesting. Life on Earth actually began in the deep ocean, near hydrothermal vents. These are cracks in the ocean floor that release super hot water and minerals, creating the perfect conditions for life to form without sunlight. So NASA believes that similar hydrothermal vents could exist on moons like Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. If life could start at the bottom of our oceans, why not on Europa, where there's also an ocean beneath the ice? This leads to another question. Why is NASA so interested in Europa specifically? Europa has a huge saltwater ocean beneath its icy surface. In fact, it might have more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Now, just like on Earth, Europa's ocean is likely heated from the inside by the gravitational pull of Jupiter. This process, called tidal flexing, generates enough energy to keep the water from freezing solid. And if there's liquid water and energy from the planet's core, NASA thinks that life might be possible there, just like how it began around hydrothermal vents on Earth. So this brings us to another big question. What kind of life might NASA find in Europa's oceans? It might not be the kind of intelligent aliens we see in the movies, but more likely simple microbial life forms, like the bacteria and archaea we find near hydrothermal vents on Earth. On the other hand, it's possible that Europa could have more complex creatures, maybe even similar to the strange deep-sea creatures we find here, like bioluminescent fish or giant tube worms. These animals thrive in the extreme conditions of our ocean depths, so who knows what could be lurking in Europa's waters. Finally, you may ask, how does this help NASA's future missions? Well, NASA's deep-sea explorations are preparing them for one of their biggest upcoming missions, the Europa Clipper, which is set to launch this month. The Europa Clipper will map Europa's surface, study its ice, and look for signs of life beneath the surface. And that's just the beginning. If all goes well, the next step will be sending robots called cryobots, designed to melt through Europa's ice and explore its ocean directly. So when you hear about NASA exploring Earth's oceans, remember, it's not just about our planet. It's about solving one of the biggest mysteries in the universe. Are we alone? Or could life be hiding beneath the icy crust of another world? What do you think NASA might find in our oceans or on Europa? Could there be alien life waiting to be discovered? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and let's discuss what NASA could uncover. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos like this.